back with another video. Lightwish sent us their products again, which are acrylic markers, and this is my first time ever using them, so I'm a little bit nervous. These markers have two brush tips in different shades, which is cool. They also have super rich pigment, and I noticed that they have this strong smell, but I believe it's still manageable. Before we jump into the main practice, I did some trial of cam to get a feel for these markers. The colors are vibrant, but the blending can be a bit tricky. So, I've decided to draw Felix from Stray Kids. He's been on my to-draw list for like ages. I don't know, maybe I'm just waiting for the right time. Anyway, for this sketch, I'm using Artex colored pencils. This pencil has been my go-to outliner, and I actually love how hard and also soft they are. Adding layers just kinda hides what's underneath. I guess this is all about bold blocks of color and strategic placement. It's like a puzzle figuring out where each shade goes without losing the first ones. Okay, so the first head isn't it exactly living up to my expectations. Maybe it's because this is so new to me and I'm still adjusting. And it also kind of went a bit too dark, but it's okay, that's part of the learning process. This time, I'm trying something different. I'm starting with the lightest color and letting it dry completely before adding anything else. Maybe then, just maybe, I can achieve some subtle blending magic. favorite new approach. I learned a lot from the first attempt, especially what not to do. Now I'm focusing on clean lines, color placement, and letting the markers do their thing. Oh, and one more thing, I noticed that when you first put them down, the color seems a bit lighter, but wait till they dry, they get way darker, so swatching beforehand is definitely your friend. I still want to learn more about how to use this, so stay tuned for more artworks using acrylic markers, but maybe I'm not gonna use only acrylic markers in one piece, it's okay if we use other mediums too, such as colored pencils to add details to the artwork. I'm kind of feeling that I also want to use them in drawing cute illustrations. I want to try something else too, maybe in the next video. So, this is the result. I'm satisfied with my first try, and these markers are actually nice and mostly recommend them for beginners. The only thing I don't like about this one is their strong smell. Still, this is really nice for beginners if you first want to get the feels, and if you're still undecided or want to be a master in this particular medium, you can try this one. Just some quick tips. You guys always swatch first. Find your color placement too, and if you're new to acrylic markers, don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks again to Lightwish for sending me the sets, and if you want to try them, just go to my description box below and you'll see some links where you can buy these markers. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new, and I hope you got inspired to try these for yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe for more art content like this one, and let me know in the comments what you think about these markers. Till next time, happy creating!